Hello, I'm doing a video this morning on a roof that was done here recently by another roofer. I'm not going to say no names. They had it done recently and it's just falling apart as you see in the video. The 90 pounds just sagging, it's falling off the wall. Some of these new systems, these torch downs, easy stick, I don't care for them too much. I like the spray on systems myself. It's like putting a pool liner or a bed liner on a roof. It's all one system. It's either sprayed on, either spray foam or spray rubber. That's the reason I don't care for these new systems that come out. That's all. I just want to show you a video of the roof that was done recently, and the roof's just falling apart. Oasis Roofing.